Are you struggling to maintain a perfectly sculpted jawline or neat stubble without visiting a professional barber every single week? Upgrading your daily grooming routine requires a high-quality, dependable tool. Today, I am highlighting the absolute best beard trimmers designed to give you a flawless, confident look right from home. Product number 1. Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 Series 13-in-1 Trimmer, Beard Styler, and Men's Hair Clipper, 9 length settings and self-sharpening skin-friendly blades, MG3919/50. When I want a highly versatile and perfectly dependable tool for my daily grooming, this exceptional 13-piece kit is my ultimate starting point. I am thoroughly impressed by the self-sharpening, skin-friendly comfort blades that utilize an innovative rounded tip technology, guaranteeing a perfectly smooth trim without causing any harsh irritation. The inclusion of 13 distinct interchangeable attachments makes it incredibly effortless to transition from detailing my thick beard to maintaining a sharp, clean hairline. It offers 9 precise length settings, allowing me to effortlessly switch between a rugged 5 o'clock shadow and a well-maintained long beard. The incredibly powerful battery provides a highly reliable 60 minutes of continuous runtime, while the convenient USB-A cable ensures easy charging directly from my laptop. I love the perfectly contoured ergonomic handle, delivering outstanding control and maximum comfort during extensive and detailed styling sessions. Product number 2. Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 Series 13-in-1 Trimmer for Men, Beard Trimmer and Head Hair Clipper, Full Metal Self-Sharpening Blades, and 8 length settings, MG3939/50. If you are searching for an all-in-one grooming solution that emphasizes absolute durability, this full metal blade version is an absolutely phenomenal choice. I love how the self-sharpening full metal blades remain incredibly sharp from day one and require absolutely no messy oiling or complex maintenance to perform flawlessly. Similar to its counterpart, this specific model provides 13 versatile pieces, but it features 8 tailored length settings to dial in an immense variety of facial hairstyles. The brilliant click-on narrow detail trimmer blade is a fantastic addition, allowing me to add perfectly sharp, effortless definition to the intricate edges of my goatee. I find the 60-minute battery life to be incredibly consistent, easily powering through multiple grooming sessions before ever needing a recharge. The fully rinsable blades and combs make the post-trim cleanup remarkably quick and totally hassle-free every time. Product number 3. Philips Norelco One 360 Hybrid Face, Electric Beard Trimmer and Shaver, with 360 technology, 1x360 for face, 5-in-1 adjustable comb, model QP2724/90. When I want to fundamentally change the way I approach shaving and trimming, this revolutionary hybrid tool completely exceeds all of my expectations. I am absolutely captivated by the highly innovative 360 blade, which beautifully flexes in all directions to maintain constant skin contact, easily navigating the tricky contours of my jawline. The incredibly fast-moving cutter effortlessly tackles even longer, dense hairs, while the advanced dual protection system ensures the shave is amazingly smooth and entirely comfortable. I love using the 5-in-1 adjustable comb to quickly trim my beard to an exact, even stubble, while the dual-sided blade lets me craft razor-sharp edges instantly. Because it is completely waterproof, I have the absolute freedom to use it wet with shaving cream or dry for a rapid touch-up before heading out. With a highly dependable 45-minute battery life, it is an ultra-convenient grooming companion. Product number 4. MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger Men's Premium Beard Trimmer, 20-length adjustable blade wheel, stainless steel T-blade for precision facial hair trimming, cordless waterproof, wet/dry clipper. For those looking to take their facial hair maintenance to the absolute next level, this premium precision groomer is an incredible powerhouse. I am completely blown away by the highly intuitive zoom wheel, offering an astounding 20 different length settings to flawlessly handle everything from rugged stubble to a massive lumberjack mustache. The incredibly powerful, cordless DC motor perfectly drives a titanium-coated T-blade, delivering immense sharpness that cuts cleanly through the thickest, most stubborn hairs without requiring any oil. I love the unique cutting angle designed into the built-in comb, which effortlessly lifts flat-lying hairs to provide a totally smooth, single-stroke trimming experience. The entirely waterproof construction allows me to confidently take it into the shower, massively cutting down on messy cleanup time around my bathroom sink. The included hard-shell water-resistant travel case is a phenomenal touch, keeping the tool perfectly protected on the road. Product number 5. Norelco Philips All-in-One Series 7023-piece trimmer electric shaver and clipper for face, beard, head and body, self-sharpening titanium blades, 26 length settings, 0.5 to 16 mm, MG 7970/49. Rounding out my top picks is a true heavy-duty masterclass in grooming technology designed to tackle absolutely every single hair on your body. I am highly impressed by the massive 23-piece attachment set and 26 unique length settings, granting me total, unparalleled control over my exact preferred style. The incredibly smart Beard Sense technology is totally game-changing. It actively scans my beard density 125 times per second, automatically boosting power to power through dense patches effortlessly. I absolutely love the self-sharpening titanium-coated blades, delivering phenomenal, long-lasting precision while ensuring the narrow detail trimmer easily crafts incredibly sharp cheek lines. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides a truly astonishing 5 hours of continuous runtime, completely eliminating any battery anxiety during extensive, full-body grooming routines. It is a phenomenally robust, ultra-premium device that delivers an unmatched, barbershop-quality trim directly into your own hands. That concludes my comprehensive guide to the top trimming tools available right now. Check the links provided to grab your favorite grooming companion and keep your style looking flawless every day.